Where are we going?
We are going to Four Corners for 4th of July. It is a Saturday. The temperature is very hot at 90 degrees. And we brought a lot of beer.
We rolled into camp around 4:30, maybe 5. And got the Forerunner level. We had to borrow some blocks from my dad. And then we started setting up the tent. It was my first attempt of setting up the tent by myself. So I definitely learned some things. I have a little bit of ways to grow there. It's hard to get the little lever to go flush inside the little groove that holds the tent open in the middle. That part I definitely needed some help with. In my defense, the tent is pretty heavy. Sara really wanted to help set up the tent, and by help I mostly mean she really wanted to climb up the ladder. She did her best to do multiple attempts while no one was looking, but thankfully she never made it past like the second row. She just likes to hook her leg through and then sit there on the second step for a while.
Hi. These ones, they wore out. Hi, Sara.
So then she had to go try the stairs on the camper. She had a lot more success with that, and we had to make a new rule that you can't just open the camper door anymore because there could be a little Sara there hanging out.
Like this.
Look at that little frog. It's a lot smaller than that. Not a lot, but look.
The other one on.
Yeah.
Switch it up.
Hi, baby.
Come here, baby. Hey, I'm coming for you, baby. Let's go say hi to Grandpa. Sara, you saw the video.
Yeah, she said, yeah. She's talking now. Oh my gosh, look at those steaks. Yum, 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 yum.
We woke up the next morning to some beautiful summer sunshine. I took Wookie on a little walk and looked at all the green forest floor and all the plant life and the new green huckleberries sprouting up everywhere. We are very excited for huckleberry season, by the way. And then we started getting ready for the day, obviously by playing some cornhole because it can't be all work and no play when you're on vacation. Jack lost. I won. Subtle brave.
Even get 3 points.
And then we packed up and went on a 4-wheeler ride. We're going on a 4-wheeler ride today. We got Sara. We're going up to the Gospels, going across the face right now. There's about a 6-foot drift there, but I think we can get around it. There's some dirt showing on the side. And Sara's excited and she's having fun.
Yeah. No, we're not walking towards the edge. Let's walk towards Mommy. We made it to Square Mountain Lookout, Sara. Good job.
Yay! We made it!
What's this? Whoa! Be careful. Flowers, Sara.
Great 4-wheeler ride. Yeah. Great sunshine. The four-wheeler ride was great. We saw all the lakes and a whole bunch of trees. And then we got home and ate a big old dinner and sat out by the campfire. Sara was thoroughly exhausted. Went to bed. We got up the next morning, played around in the tent for a while. Sara was really wanting to get out and go play, but Daddy was still working on waking up, and so was Mommy. But Wookie was definitely on Sara's side. She was ready to go play too.
We went on a four-wheeler ride today. We went to Florence, saw the old cemetery. Florence is an old mining claim. It used to be one of the worst towns in America, apparently. There was a year period where one person died a day, almost, mostly in gunfights and stuff, which is crazy. Now we're just buzzing around out here in the mountains. It's a beautiful day. Everything's super green. We're enjoying this sunshine and fresh air. And I thought I lost my pit vipers, but I did not. So that was a success.
Sara and Wookie both did really good in the four-wheeler. Wookie likes to play this fun game where she sticks her head out the side of the side-by-side and tries to pull down and bite on and catch every single bush that she can possibly reach as we go by. And she's pretty good at it, actually. We ended up having to strap her into the back, but I think she still had a lot of fun. Sara got a little antsy, but did pretty well. She fell asleep a couple times and took a couple little naps, and then just enjoyed all the scenery and enjoyed watching Wookie try to catch plants the rest of the time. We eventually made it up to Nut Basin, where we had a really amazing 360 view in every direction, and we could see all of these mountain ranges. We could see clear down to the Salmon River. Sara mostly liked sitting on the ground and looking at the flowers, trying to pick them or play with them a little bit. She really liked the Indian paintbrushes. We made it up to Nut Basin and looked around at all the different mountains and tried to point out all the ones we knew. Some of us were a lot better than others at guessing. There also used to be an old fire lookout there, and the rock foundation where it used to stand was still there, so that was cool to check out too. Then we went home, we had hamburgers for dinner, and of course we did some dancing and some rocking out.
Followed by some cornhole. Sara is particularly good at getting them in the hole, and I don't think anybody blames her for cheating just a little bit. Then we sat out by the campfire for the rest of the night and then went to bed. We woke up pretty early the next morning, excited to get home and celebrate the 4th of July with Uncle Joe's 4th of July barbecue.
Are you having fun? Yeah, what a great 4th of July, huh?